Hyundai Sonata. Doing the front brake pads. Driver's side, I like to remove the cover off my reservoir so I can keep an eye on the fluid as I compress my pistons. 21mm removes your lug nuts and your tire. Jack your car up, put your jack stand. You're gonna need to remove your caliper. There's two 14mm, 14mm there, and also 14mm down there. So those two you're gonna want to remove now to get your caliper off. I just break them loose with a ratchet in my socket. Alright, once I break them loose, then I just use my electric. Get in there like that. All the way out. Once you have them all the way out, you kind of just rock your caliper back and forth. And then rest it right there. I'm going to want to remove these springs, clips, anti-rattle clips. There's two of them, the other one already out. And we're going to remove our brake pad. If you can't get them out like this, just use a pry bar, kind of in there, don't damage your rotor, and pop them out. Need my other hand for that. Alright, so I got both brake pads out. Now we're going to need to compress the piston, which is right here. You're going to use a C-clamp and an old brake pad. Turn your C-clamp clockwise, and that'll push your piston in. Alright, piston's completely in. Now we're going to install our new pads. Just take note of the wear sensor or strip, same side. This is going to be your inner pad. So that pad there is going to go on the inside. Alright, so the pads could be a little tricky. You got to push them up into this section first, and then it slides over that lip. Now you want to grease these guide pins. I already done that, and push them in. Now I'll reinstall your caliper. Actually, before you put back in your caliper, we did miss one step. You want to take these clips, anti-rattle clips. There's some small holes right there, as you can see on the brake pad, those holes there. Just take them, stick them back in those holes. Get a better angle, just like that. Same thing for the bottom one. There's two holes on the bottom. It'll look like that once they're in. Now you can install your caliper. Alright, once you install your caliper, put back in your two 14mm. Tighten them down. Same process on the other side. Cover back your reservoir when you're done. Put back on your wheel. And make sure you pump your pedal before you drive off. And that's the Hyundai Sonata front brake pad replacement. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, hit that like button. See you next time.